Have you ever felt like you're being pushed too hard during a home improvement consultation? Well, today we're going to reveal the tactics some contractors use to manipulate decisions and how you can protect yourself. Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. In today's video, we're going to quickly take a close look at some tricks and tactics that some contractors might use to influence your decision making during a consultation. Whether you're renovating your kitchen or replacing your windows, knowing these signs can save you from making a regrettable decision. Beware of contractors who urge you to make quick decisions. If you're being pressured with warnings like prices will increase tomorrow, take a step back. This tactic is designed to rush you into a decision without giving you time to think or compare other offers. Some contractors use scare tactics or emotional stories to sway your decision. They might exaggerate potential problems or use fear to push you towards an expensive option. Remember, decisions should be based on facts, not fear. Watch out for contractors who try to isolate skeptics or those questioning the proposal. By dividing the group, they aim to weaken collective resistance and push through their agenda. If an offer seems too good to be true, especially if you have to buy today to get the offer, be cautious. This is often a sign that a contractor is more interested in closing the deal than providing value. A reputable contractor will address all your questions and concerns thoroughly. If someone is dismissively answering or ignoring your questions, it's a red flag that they might not have your best interests at heart. Be alert if a contractor focuses only on the positives of a service or product while glossing over any potential downsides. Full transparency about all the benefits and risks of any product that you're going to buy is crucial. You need to know that information. Manipulative contractors may direct their pitch at those who appear less informed. This can lead to unbalanced agreements that don't consider the whole group's needs. If you recognize any of these tactics during your home improvement consultation, it might be time to take a step back and reassess. Don't be afraid to seek a second opinion or consult another contractor. Your home is one of your most significant investments. Make sure any decisions are made in your best interest, not theirs. Thanks for watching today's video on how to spot manipulative contractor tactics. If you found this information helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel for more insights, and share this video with friends or family who might benefit. Got any questions or want to share your experience? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.